These fritters are Indian style fritters made with gram flour or besan, and a small amount of rice flour is used to make them crisp. To make these shrimp pakoras, clean, debone, and toss them with spices like black pepper, turmeric, chili powder, onion paste, ginger, garlic paste, green chilies. That also I normally stamp them, and then some salt, and pour some hot oil. Beat them nicely, and then fry them. It's normally deep fried, but I try to pan fry them. So here it's ready. We Bengalis we have it with dal, mushri dal, and these boras. But you're gonna have it with